Bro, I can't see shit. Coming in hot. What up, what up, what up? Today we are at New Jersey Motorsports Park. Got my first track day. Let's go. Check it out, got some fancy numbers on my car now. Ready for it, wait for it, wait for it. Oh, okay, a little painter's tape. That'll do it. A lot of Porsches rolled up for this event, should be dope. Let's go have some fun. Let's check this out. Got an older fella in front of me on the track. He's afraid to let her eat. Let her eat. Get it. Come on. Look how far away the pace car is. Come on, buddy. Go ahead, get it. Get it. Yeah, they gotta move me up. I get it. First rodeo. All right, looks like my buddy in the Scat Pack rolled for the day, so it's just me and the pace car. All right, now we're gonna let her eat. Let's go. All right, so check it out. This is my first day at the track. So far, so good. Let's see if we can keep this thing on the track. Wish me luck. Since it ended up raining, a whole bunch of people didn't show up, so that worked out to my benefit. So check this out. It's just me and this pace car. This is so sick. All right, so my goals for today. Let's keep this thing on the track and let's try to follow this guy's line. He's a professional driver, so I'm gonna see what I can learn from him. Hey yo, I can't begin to tell you how well this thing handles in the rain. We got a nice low stance, we got all-wheel drive, all-wheel steering, and some crazy good brakes. Thank you, BMW. And just so you know, this is a 2019 BMW M850i X-Drive. It's crazy, I've had this thing for like 3.5 years now. I'm just glad I'm finally getting on a track. Yo, I don't know about you guys, can you see? I can see now. Who says stay higher on the pole, come in, and eat. Alright, this is crazy. I cannot see shit. Alright, so I can see his lights flashing, but that's about it. This is nuts. Brake a little bit. Try to follow this dude's line. He is a fucking professional. I will be soon. What do you guys think about the Audi RS3? Them things are impressive, man. The amount of power they can put out is just crazy. Like, watch this thing in front of me on the track. Just getting it. Absolutely love it. That German engineering is no joke. And again with the handling, so freaking impressive. Yo, what a wild first day of the track. I had so much fun. Hopefully we'll get out here again soon. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Thanks for watching Fast Farm. Until next time.